Excavation. A Subzone 4. "30,000 tons of contaminated soil have been excavated from dry oil lakes. B Subzone 2. "6,000 tons of contaminated soil have been excavated from wet oil lakes, and 4,500 tons of the contaminated soil received from the oil-contaminated piles has been mixed with the wet oil lakes." In 8B Subzone 5. "22,000 tons of contaminated soil has been transported from dry oil lakes, wet oil lakes, and oil-contaminated piles. "65,000 metric tons of contaminated soil have been excavated. Cumulative till date, 1,775,000 metric tons of contaminated soil have been excavated." Transportation. "135,000 metric tons have been transported to treatment center. Cumulative till date, 1,650,000 metric tons have been transported to treatment center. Treatment area. Screening, pulverizing, and placing. 80,000 metric tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads. Cumulative till date, 1,450,000 metric tons have been screened, pulverized, and placed on the treatment pads. Remediation works. "175,000 tons of contaminated soil were tilled and irrigated with surfactant and inoculant. 10 baseline samples and 10 verification treatment samples were taken. In total, 72 samples were taken, which also includes the samples for progress monitoring and QA/QC. (54,116 tons have achieved the RTC. Overall, 830,824 tons of contaminated soil have been completely remediated. Soil washing plant. (150 tons contaminated soil whose TPH is above 5% has been fed into the soil washing plant. The lab reports indicate that the output from the plant at the end of the process has fulfilled the remediation target criteria of less than 1%. Landfill. The main landfill's construction progress is 89.25%. 79,000 square meters of GCL smooth type have been laid in subcells. 40,000 square meters of GCL textured type have been laid in subcells. 79,000 square meters of HDPE geomembrane layer smooth type have been laid on the base of subcells. 34,000 square meters of HDPE geomembrane layer textured type have been laid alongside slopes of the subcells. 23,500 square meters of 25 cm sand protection layer have been spread in subcells. 76,000 square meters of geotextile separation layer have been laid on for base of the subcells. 25,000 cubic meters of gravel layer have been spread in the subcells. 25,000 square meters laying of geocomposite drainage layer, GDL, has laid along the side slopes. Laying filter geotextile for overlap between the walls and base is in progress. 20 cm sand filling for side walls is completed for north and east sides. Excavation for open channel around landfill is in progress. Construction of concrete pipes culvert is completed. Construction of external ramp is in progress. Electrical resistivity testing is completed for cells D and B. Installation of leachate pipes is in progress. Backfilling of anchor trench for east and north walls is completed.